Hello, good morning, avid viewers. So today we will feature about education. So we will interview today a prominent principal from a prominent school. So here is Mr. Robin. So good morning, Mr. Robin.
Good morning.
So I would like to ask you, sir, what is your own definition of education as a principal?
I believe that education is a fundamental right of a person regardless of his social status.
So that was a very notable definition of education, sir. Sir, what is your advice for those students who find it hard to study in their school?
To all students, just hold on to your faith and study well.
Sir, thank you for that inspiring message. So what would you like to tell our viewers?
To all our viewers, the future of our nation lies upon our shoulders.
So thank you, sir. It's
Thank
nice
you.
for having you here. It's our privilege. So sir, we would like to again thank you for this moment.
Thank you.
Time with you.